Disconnect all electrical power from the refrigerator. Remove the safety cage from the lower back of the refrigerator by unscrewing the 4 screws. Then set the cage aside. Locate the circuit board. Remove the 2 screws securing the circuit board to the fridge and set the screws aside. Remove the screw holding the metal cover and remove the cover. Using needle nose pliers, carefully disconnect all wire connections from the circuit board and remove the old circuit board. Reconnect all wire connections to the new circuit board, ensuring all connections are properly installed. Reattach the metal cover with the screw. Insert the circuit board into the slot and tighten it down with the 2 screws. Reattach the safety cage by hand threading the screws at 4 corners, then tightening them. Finally, reconnect all electrical wiring to their proper terminals.